So what's up guys? So this is not my vlog, however this is my friend's phone. We have come to a place which is called as Gautam, that's what we call it. But this is called as Thane, Godbandar, whatever, jungle. But if you guys see this place bro, and you guys will love it. You don't have to go to Lonavala, Khandala. If you guys live in Mumbai, just come to Dahisar and you'll see this place. Such a beautiful, serene, such a beautiful place. What more do you want? Just look at the greenery, just look at the leaves. So beautiful out here. And just look at the force of the water, which is coming right at the top of the mountain. But this water is really, really clean and pure, I mean, I have to say. Just that the water looks a bit brownish is because of mud. By the way, I didn't introduce my friends to you. His name is Ankit Janke. Janke. Yeah, okay. Thank you for helping me to pronounce your last name. This guy is Samuel Kuzavila. He is right from Kerala, Trivandrum. That's amazing. Guys, well, thank you so much for watching my vlog.